Another cool feature about Zoom that we're going to cover in our demo is the ability to join from your phone, right? So Zoom does have a mobile app. So currently I'm in the same meeting in that same personal meeting ID. That's why there's two of me. One of them is my phone, and one of them is my computer that I'm currently using. So one of the cool features of Zoom, right, is not only being able to join from your phone, right, to host a meeting from your phone, but you can also do all the same, sharing screen as I'm doing here. This is my actual screen. Um, there's a lot of cool things you can do by combining Zoom Mobile with the Zoom desktop version. First of all, if I end this meeting, so let's end this meeting. One of the cool options is if you join on your phone or on your computer and then you try starting up the app on a different device, you can switch really quickly. So I would love to use this feature, especially when I was, either working during the pandemic or taking classes during the pandemic. Maybe I had to walk my dog right at the beginning of class, but I didn't want to miss the first few minutes. So I joined on my phone first, as I am now, right? So it's on William's iPhone. But once I was ready to join it back on my computer, rather than having to, do the trouble finding the link, joining with the ID, there's a cool little switch button. And that's going to essentially swap me in as my computer, take out the phone, right, and put my computer user to replace it. And it's pretty seamless. Now, of course, if your audio and video is off, right, that might show up in the meeting. But as far as like the transition that other users will see, right, it's instant. They won't notice that you left the meeting and then somebody else joined. It's going to just detect you as the same person, and maybe your audio and video are just off, right, all of a sudden. So yeah, that switch feature really useful. But do know that you can join the same meeting, right, with your phone and your computer, which is actually the topic of one of our assignments for this week. You'll have to join both your phone and your computer. So let me show you what that looks like. So that's going to be video conferencing. So you're gonna start or schedule a meeting, right? Remember, it's a lot easier just to start one. And then you're gonna join on your phone, on your computer. You're gonna change the background on your computer, right? Make sure you have virtual background, and then also set one up on your phone. As long as I can see both of you in the meeting. Then you can just take one screenshot. So, for example, I'll turn on my camera here. I'll join on my phone. And I'll turn the video here as well. And then yeah, as long as you take a screenshot like this where both of you right pop up. Of course it's the same person right twice. Um that definitely works. But you could also turn in two separate screenshots, right? That also is fine. As long as both of you are on the meeting, then you really only need to take one screenshot. So yeah, that's it for this assignment, a little practice one. So take a screenshot, right? I might change these directions too, just to make it more clear that you can just submit one single screenshot. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.